If I told you the fastest way to kill your restaurant was a 21-page menu, you will trust me. Too much choice, too much waste, too much confusion. But here's the twist. Cheesecake Factory did not just survive with one. They turned it into a $3 billion empire. We're talking over 250 food items, from steaks, Thai curries, pasta, chicken wings, and of course, cheesecake. A menu that should have been chaos became their greatest tool that they have. And today I'm going to break down the 5 learnings hidden inside Cheesecake Factory's 21-page menu that every restaurant owners can steal to boost sales, increase following, and even turns flaws into strengths. My name is Desmond Lim. I'm the co-founder and CEO for Workstream, and this is the Cheesecake Factory Playbook. Lesson 1. Choice can be your brand. Most restaurants are told to focus. Five Guys, burgers. Chick-fil-A, chicken. Cheesecake Factory did the opposite. They made choice who they are. Why does this work? Because it solves a real problem. Group dining. When no one can agree on what to eat, Cheesecake Factory is the way to go. The choice of food becomes what they are known for. Compare that to In-N-Out. They have scaled by focusing only on a handful of food items. Both business models work. What Cheesecake Factory did is they leaned to being the opposite of what fast food does. They made their menu a real statement. You do not need 21 pages, but you do need a clear menu identity. Ask yourself, is your menu solving a problem for your customers, or are you creating one? Lesson 2. Menu psychology prints money. A giant menu is not chaos. It can be carefully engineered to help your business to grow. When you look closer at the menu, high margin items are highlighted with photos or boxes. Price anchors like a $40 steak can make a $20 pasta look cheap. Desserts sit at the end when customers are primed to indulge. This is Hicks' Law in action. The more choices people have, the longer they will take to choose and the more they will spend. Applebee's, Olive Garden, Chili's, they all use the same way forward, which is decoy pricing, bundling, and highlighting. The Cheesecake Factory just applies it at a huge scale. Even if your menu is just 10 items, design it like a map. Highlight the profitable food items, use decoys, anchor your prices. Your menu is a sales funnel, it is not a lease. Lesson 3. Quirks become free marketing. The Cheesecake Factory menu is a meme. Customers post TikToks about reading it. Late night shows make jokes about it. Instead of hiding what should be a flaw, Cheesecake Factory leaned in. The crazy menu they have became part of their story, and that story turned into millions of dollars in free advertising for them. Most restaurants hide their quirks. Cheesecake Factory turned theirs into a real growth engine for them. Think of Dick's Last Resort, a restaurant famous for its rude service, or Heart Attack Grill, famous for outrageous calorie count. These quirks became their entire brand. For restaurant owners out there, ask yourself, what is your quirk? Is it oversized portion? Is it a weird menu item? Is it a cup or food or bowl that's really big? Don't hide it. Double down on it. Make it the story that people tell about you. Lesson 4. Operations make chaos doable. Here's the secret. Cheesecake Factory only makes this work because their back-end systems are airtight. Every recipe is documented clearly. Ingredients are portioned down to the gram. Kitchens are staffed like factories, not mom and pop shops. Without this system, a 21-page menu would collapse into inconsistency and chaos. Contrast that with a diner trying to serve everything without systems. The end game: inconsistency, food waste, training, nightmares, and more. Cheesecake Factory invested in systems so the chaos look easy. If you want to add variety or specials, start by tightening operations. Standardize your food. Create a training menu. Without a backbone, variety turns into chaos. Lesson number 5. Surprise and delight creates a following for you. The final thing we learn is subtle but powerful. Cheesecake Factory keeps customers curious. The massive menu creates discovery. On one visit, you try tacos. Next time it's pasta. Next time, cheesecake. That sense of what else can I try keeps people coming back. It's the opposite of menu fatigue. It's menu curiosity. Starbucks does the same thing with seasonal drinks. The pumpkin spice latte is not about flavor, it's about something new. Cheesecake Factory's entire menu is built on that same framework. For restaurant owners out there, you do not need 21 pages, but one seasonal item, one special, one twist that you have that's enough to keep your menu alive and fresh. So that's the Cheesecake Factory playbook. 1. Choice can become your brand. 2. Menu psychology prints money. 3. Quirks create free growth for you. 4. Operations make chaos easy. And 5. Surprise and delight creates a following for you. Cheesecake Factory turned what should have gone very poorly into one of the most powerful menu strategies to help them to grow. So my question for you is, what's your restaurant's 21-page menu? What's the thing that your customers always know about you? And how can you turn that into a strength? If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below to get more tips on how to make your restaurant better. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.